Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Probably. Today in this video we will learn how to promote your painting business online using WhatsApp. Okay. So the idea here is you have recently started a painting business, okay, and you have advertised about it on Facebook. Now, every time a new customer or a new lead will enter your advertisement, you have to send them the link of the brochure on WhatsApp. But the problem here is if you'll follow the manual process, you have to every time you have to collect the information about your new lead, then you have to manually type a message, attach the link of the brochure and finally send it to WhatsApp to them on WhatsApp. This process will be very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like you have run an advertisement on Facebook. Now every time a new lead will be entering your advertisement, will click on your advertisement, automatically a form will pop up. Now whenever the new lead will fill up the form, on successful form submission, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to them with the link of the brochure. So for that, I've used two applications here. First, I've used Facebook. I've used this platform to advertise about my business. And secondly, I've used WhatsApp. You know, it's a famous chatting app to send them the message. But here, I have to face one more problem. The problem is there is no direct integration or link between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together so that every time a new lead is generated through your advertisement and as soon as they will fill up the form, on successful form submission, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to them with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to be from a technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the form which I have created for the customers. So customers will be seeing the form here and as soon as they will submit the form, they'll receive a WhatsApp message here. Okay. So let me show it to you how it works, how the automation will work. Let's fill up the form. This is the form, okay. Let's fill up the form on behalf of our customer. Let's say our customer's name is Tina. This is the email ID, tina000@gmail.com. Now we will see the name, which is Tina Manuel. And let me enter the mobile number. Okay, so this is the number. Now I'll click on next and I'll click on submit. Okay, we will go to our WhatsApp web page and we will wait for 4-5 seconds and automatically a message will be reflected here. Guys, as you can see, a message has just arrived for Tina Manuel which says, "Hello Tina Manuel, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Painter. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our painting. This is the particular link, okay. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable." Okay guys, that's why this link is not clickable because I haven't saved the number. Thank you, regards, ABC Painter. Now let us copy the link and open it in our new tab and let's see if the link takes us to the same brochure which I intend to send to my customers. Here you can see guys, this is the brochure. You can see the name of our company ABC Painter and I wanted the same brochure to send to my customers. So you must be thinking now how it is possible, how just by filling up the form automatically a customer has received a WhatsApp message. So guys, let me show you the process of integration and automation on my screen. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads with the help of webhook URL. So what we're gonna do in first step, first we'll log in into our Pabbly Connect account, okay. Then we will integrate our first application which is Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Why? Because we have run an advertisement on Facebook. Now the customers will reach to the advertisement and a form will pop up in front of them. Now the customers will fill up the form, okay, and the data will be transferred in Pabbly Connect. Here in the step 2, here you can see collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. So as soon as the customers will fill up the form, automatically the data will be transferred here in Pabbly Connect, okay. And step number 3 says send the brochure on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So in our final step, we will be sending our customers the WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. But guys, here's the twist. We are not using WhatsApp. We are not integrating WhatsApp here directly. Instead, we are integrating 360 dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay guys, so let's start with the process. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. P-A-B-B-L-Y, remember. Pabbly. Okay, as you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. Now what you have to do next is come on product, and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Connect, so click on Connect. And we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, as you can see on my screen. Okay. Now, for the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, you have to click this guys, and you can create your free account in just 2 minutes, completely free account, because I'm already logged in. So I'll click on sign in. Okay, let me click here in login. Okay, once again, you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. As you know, today we are using Pabbly Connect. So come on Connect and click on Access Now. Okay, so this is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. Now we have to create a new workflow. As you can see here, my previous workflows, I have created different workflows. We have to create a new workflow. So for that, you can see a blue button at my right corner. You have to click this and a mini box will emerge in front of you. Now you have to name your workflow here, okay? So let's say I'll name my workflow as Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay, I have chosen the applications which I am integrating today. So I have given the name of the applications only. You can give the name according to you. Let me correct the spelling, please. Okay. So as you can see, now I'll click on create. So guys, as you can see on my screen, we have entered the workflow. Here we'll be performing the process of integration. Okay. You can see here the name which we have given, Facebook to WhatsApp. Now, the workflow which we are making today, this current workflow, okay, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box, and guys, you can click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check the link. Let's read out what it is written here first. Trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger. Action, do this, choose your next application action. Now you people must be thinking, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this particular case, trigger event will be whenever the customer will reach to your ad and they will open the ad, automatically a form will pop up in front of them. Now when they will submit the form, this will be the trigger event. And what is the response? The response we want is automatically they should receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure which they have asked for. So you understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay, let's continue with the integration process. We have to choose our first application to integrate. So our first application is Facebook Lead Ad. So for that, you have to click on your first application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Facebook Lead Ads. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And now a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of me. Now if you will click this arrow, you can choose the various trigger events. You can see the various trigger events, I mean. The current trigger event is new lead. I want to choose this particular trigger event. So I have chosen it. And now I'll click on connect. Okay, so a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for 2 options. I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Facebook Lead Ads. Okay. So I'm already logged in with my Facebook application. So I've been successfully authorized in. Now here you can see 2 options are given to you. First, it is asking for the page and second is the lead generation form. Okay, so we have to map the page here, the pages. If you'll click this arrow, you can see the various pages here. Now these pages are the same pages which I have in my Facebook account. So let me first take you to my Facebook account and let me show you the pages. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, we have reached to my Facebook account. Okay, this is my account on Facebook. Now if you'll go to your left corner here, you can see various options are given. search for the page, choose for the page, and here you can see the various pages I have created in my Facebook account. Now for this particular workflow, I have created a particular web page, I mean the Facebook page. Let me show it to you. Let me search for it. Okay, here is the particular page. Here you can see ABC Painter. Okay, let me open it for you. Okay guys, so this is the particular page as you can see on my screen. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to map this particular page to our Pabbly Connect account. So let me take you back to my Pabbly Connect account and let me show it to you how you can map this page there. Okay, so this is our Pabbly Connect. Okay, here we have to click this arrow and we have to search for the same page. So our page name was ABC Painter. As you can see on my screen, you have searched for the particular page and now you'll simply map it here. So the form attached or automatically integrated with this page will automatically appear here in the lead generation form. So you don't have to do this. You have to fill this. Now, let me tell you one more thing, guys. Whenever you will run a live ad on Facebook, okay, so when the customer will reach to your advertisement, automatically a form will pop up in front of them. Because I haven't run any live ad, so I'll use one website. The website's name is Facebook for Developer. So I'll show it to you for an example how the form will appear in the front of customers and how on successful form submission they can receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Okay, so let me take you to my website. So as you can see on my screen, this is the website for Facebook for Developers. Now here I'll select the particular form. Okay, and I'll preview the form. So guys, this is how the customers will see the form. Okay, so let's refill the form. We will refill the form on behalf of our customer. And what we want as soon as we will fill up the form here, automatically we should, the responses of the customer, the details of the customer should captured in our Pabbly Connect account. Okay, so we'll fill up the details here. Let's say our customer's name is Sam John. ID is sam000@gmail.com. Now we will enter the name, which is Sam John, and the mobile number is. Okay, now I'll click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now let's go to our Pabbly Connect account where we were making our workflow and we will see if the responses has been captured there or not. Okay guys, so to capture the responses, we will click on save and send test request. And here you can see the details of our customer which we have filled right now. You can see the email ID, the number and the mobile number has been successfully captured here in Pabbly Connect. So we have successfully integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now we will jump to our next and final step, which is integration of WhatsApp. Okay, but here's the twist, guys. We are not integrating WhatsApp directly. Instead, we are integrating 360 Dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software that is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 Dialog. Okay, so to integrate 360 Dialog, you have to come down to your next application, click on the search field, and here you have to search for 360 Dialog. Okay, here you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And now a new field of action event has emerged in front of me. Now if you'll click this arrow, you can see the various action events here in the scroll down. I want to choose this particular action event, send template message, and now I'll click on connect. Okay, a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options, add new connection and choose existing connection. I'll click on add new connection and now guys, you can see it is asking me for two fields to fill. First is API key and second is domain. So let's read out the description first so that we can find out from where we can find the API key. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API key button. Okay. And in the domain it is written. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example vaber.360dialog.io. Okay. So guys, let me take you to my account on 360 Dialog first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on 360 Dialog. Now if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 Dialog or how I have created my account on 360 Dialog, so for that we have created a separate video and I have added the link of that video in my description box. Now you can go and check. And one more thing guys, I have added one more link in my description box. Now if you'll go through that link, you can avail the services of this particular application 360 Dialog at a very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links guys. Okay, now let me show it to you from where you can find the API key. Okay, so come to your left corner here, you can see three options are given to you. Click on WhatsApp accounts. Okay, now here at the right corner below, you can see a blue button which says generate API key. Guys, you have to click this button and you can generate your API key. Okay, with the API key, of course, the domain will be generated as well. But listen to it carefully. This process of generating API key is a one-time process. So you have to click this button once only, and you have to do this process for one time only. Now the same API key can be used for different workflows. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click here. Your API key will be generated. With that, the domain will be generated as well. Copy the API key, go to your Pabbly Connect account, paste it here. Then again copy the domain, come to your Pabbly Connect account and paste it here. Now guys, I have told you that generating the API key is a one-time process. So I have already generated my API key and the domain, and I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Okay, and now I'll click on save. So automatically I'll be authorized in back to my back to my workflow, the workflow we were making. So because of some security reasons, I cannot show you this process, okay? But it's a very simple process. All you have to do is copy the API key and the domain from your 360 Dialog account and simply paste it here. Now click on save and you will be automatically authorized in back to your workflow, okay? So let me do this process and we will directly meet in our workflow, guys. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have been successfully authorized in, okay, back to my workflow. Now we have to fill up the required field. The first field is asking us for the template. So if you will click this arrow, you can see the various templates down in the downfall, okay, in the scroll down, sorry. So let me tell you what is template and where you can find the template. For that, we'll go back to my account on 360 Dialog. Now, besides generate API key, it is written show details. Click here and you can see three options are given on top. You have to click on templates. Now here you can see the various templates, okay. These templates are created for different workflows. Now let me show you the particular template which I have created for this particular workflow. If I'll come down, this is the particular template send brochure final. And let me open it for you. So guys, here you can read a SMS, a text which I have written. So guys, template is nothing but just the body of SMS which will be sent to your customer. Here, let me read the body of SMS which I have written for my customers. Hello, thank you for showing your interest in. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with the message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our link. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards. So guys, now you must be thinking, what are these numbers in double boxes, why they are given here? So these numbers are nothing guys, but they are just the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our customer. For example, in place of number 1, the name of our customer will come. So as soon as I'll enter the name of my customer in body field 1, automatically the variable will change to its original value. Okay, here you can see our customer's name was Sam John, and as soon as I have entered the name in my body field 1, automatically the variable has changed to the value. So same goes with body field 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and you can add as many variables as you want in the message, okay. Now this is just for an example to show you guys. Now let me tell you how to create a template. If you'll go up, here you can see an option for add template at your right corner. A blue button is given to you which says add template. So you will click on this and a format of template will open in front of you. Now you can name the template from here. You can select the particular language, in which language you want the body of SMS, and finally you will type the body of SMS here. Now you will click on preview and submit, and guys, listen to it carefully. After creating the template, you have to send the template for approval. Okay, the approval is done by Facebook, and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. If I'll tell you in general, the approval process is done within a day only, but it is very important to first create the template and send it for approval, guys. Why I'm telling you this again and again? Because without the approval process, you cannot use the template. Let me show it to you on my screen. All my templates are approved, as you can see here. That's why I can use the templates. Okay, without the approval process, the templates cannot be used. Okay guys, remember it carefully. Now I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. Okay, I'll come to this particular field template, and I'll map the particular template which I have shown you right now. So my template's name was send brochure final. I've searched for the particular template, and here I have mapped it. Okay guys, now this two fields namespace and language code will be automatically filled up. There was a glitch, that's why it wasn't showing you for 2 minutes. Here you can see when you will map the particular template, this particular field namespace and language code will be automatically filled up. Now here in the language code it is written en stands for English, guys. If I'll take you back to my account on 360 dialog, here you can see under the language section it is written en. So en stands for English. This shows us that all our templates are in the English language. So these two fields will be automatically be filled up. Now the recipient mobile number, guys, we have to map the recipient mobile number. Now let me tell you one more important thing. What is mapping of data? I'm using this term from a long time. Map the data. So if you'll click on the search field, I mean the field, particular required field, you have a scroll down will appear in front of you. Now if you'll click on this scroll down, here you can see the responses. These responses are the same responses which we have captured above in Pabbly Connect. Okay, here you can see. Now this option of mapping data is given to you because whenever you are required to fill the fields, you don't have to go up, search for the data here which we have captured, then copy it, come down and paste it here. Instead, you can simply map the data. How? Click on the field, a scroll down will appear in front of you. Search for the particular value. It is asking for the mobile number, so I'll click the mobile number. I'll map the mobile number. Now the body fields have started. Body field 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in the example it is given. You can see from the example what we have to fill in which body field. So in body field 1 it is written Heather Ali. So here we have to map the name of our customer. Okay, come to the scroll down. Come down and search for the value. It is asking for the name. So the name of our customer is Sam John. I'll map the particular value. Now in the body field 2, okay, it is saying in example Pabbly Connect. So here we have to enter the name of our shop or a store which we are using. So I'm using ABC Painter. Okay, so this is the name. And what we are selling here in the example, it is written software. So it is asking for the product. So let's say we are selling painting. Okay. Now in the body field 4 in the example, a link is given to you guys. So here we have to add the link of the brochure which we want to send to our customers. Okay. So for that I have uploaded the particular PDF file in my Google Drive account. Okay, so let me take you to my account on Google Drive and let me show it to you the PDF file which I have created and uploaded for this workflow. Here, let me search for the PDF file. Okay, so this is the folder I have created, and here I have uploaded the file. Now I want from here the file is sent to my customers. Let me show it to you. So this is the PDF file which I want my customers to receive. Okay, now I want to have the link of this. I want to copy the link of this PDF file and paste it in my Pabbly Connect account. So for that, I'll come to my right corner above here where it is written more options. I'll click this, and now I'll click on share. Okay, here you can first see the status, what it is showing. Anyone on the internet with this link can view. So I'll copy the link. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect account and I'll simply paste it here. Okay, simple. Now in the body field 5 in the example it is given www.pabbly.com. So guys, here we have to enter the website. So let's say our website name is www.abcpainter.com. And in body field 6, again we will write the name of our store, which is ABC Painters. Okay. And now we have successfully filled up all of the details. I'll click on save and send test request and we will see if the responses are positive or not. Yes guys, the responses are completely positive. As you can see on my screen, there is no error it is showing to us. Now let me take you to my WhatsApp webpage and we will see there if any message has been arrived for our customer or not. Guys, you can clearly see a WhatsApp message has just arrived for Sam John. Let me open the message. The message says, "Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Painters. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our painting. Here is the link. For more details, you can visit to our website. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, ABC Painter." Okay guys, that's why this link is not clickable, because we haven't saved the number. Now let me copy the link and open it in the new tab, and let me show it to you if the link takes us to the brochure which I want to send to my customers or not. Let it open guys. Yes guys, this is the same brochure which I want to send to my customers. Here you can see. Now you have seen how perfectly the integration has worked. Let me take you back to my Pabbly Connect account. Okay guys, let me tell you one more thing. The workflow which we have created today, this particular workflow, I'll add the link of the same workflow in my description box. So you can click on the link and you can clone the same workflow directly into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check the link. Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.